Good day. My name is Romari Atkinson, and this is my Facility and Event Management class with Dr. Robert Epling for my Spring 2018 course. Today I will be speaking about Lauderhill Sports Complex. The Lauderhill Sports Complex is owned by the City of Broward County, which is located in Florida. The Lauderhill Sports Complex is a multi-sports complex for people of Lauderhill, Florida. So, what I mean by multi-sport, it means that it has multiple facilities to facilitate more than one sports at the same time. It has major sports such as football, baseball, basketball, soccer, netball, even cricket. If you guys know what cricket is, it's a sports mainly played in like England, the Caribbean, and like India, Bangladesh, South Africa. Yes, but also this facility not just have like sports facilities. It has playground for the kids. It has a restroom. It has a path to walk or jog for people who want to work out. It has a parking lot for maybe more than 100 cars to be parked, and it's just a nice facility for a family. Timeline and desire for development. Well, I had a phone call with the recreational superintendent, which is Ursula Green from Lauderhill Sports Complex, and prior to my phone call with him, he said that the complex has not been around long. So he said he didn't give me a specific date, but he said that the complex has been around about 10 to 20 years ago, which means it's a new complex. But recently, I heard from my friends that they will be redoing the turf, so I'm not sure how long turf meaning synthetic grass. I'm not sure how long synthetic grass lasts, but they said they will be redoing that sometime this year. So, and this park was made in order for people of the city could recreate or exercise or just go out and hang out with their families, their kids, somewhere to bring their kids. It's a park that kids can go and enjoy, like the things that you're seeing in the picture. Okay, maintenance problem that I had when I visited, because I visited in 2013 when I went with my all school team from Jamaica, which was a combination of all the soccer stars from Jamaica that came up to play in this CASA under 19 league. I came up in 2013. There's a picture of me and my friend on the soccer team. That was before our game. And the two maintenance problem I witnessed while there in 2013 was that the water fountain, they were dry, like there was no water coming out of the water fountain. Also, there was no water in the locker room restroom. So the locker room restroom was lack of water, so we couldn't use that restroom. We had to leave the locker room and go to the main restroom or the public restroom in order to use the restroom. And I am not sure if those problem has been fixed since I have visited. So I can't say, but I'm just speaking about when I visited. Okay, tourist management concern that I think they might have is property damage. Damage to the business property has a clear impact on productivity. At best, it will At best, it will possess a fairly substantial inconvenience to a number of staff. At worst, it could mean the company in question is uh, unable, to deliver products or services on time, potentially harming hard-earned relationship with clients and suppliers. So this is basically saying like if you don't please your clients or suppliers, then they might cause harm to your property by doing various things to your property which is not healthy for your property. So in order to like avoid that, you would try to give them your best service and try to work with them as best as possible. Also, another risk management is the third party liability. As well as ensuring their own operation are in order, businesses must be aware of their potential liability as a result of the action of third parties, such as suppliers and clients. Okay, so based on this, it's saying that not because this is not your event going on, you should not care. You should care because it's your ground, like it's your facility, so you should still be a part of what's going on, like be aware of potential liability. So don't you should care, so you should be there in person to oversee what's going on at the event. Okay, parking at the complex is free but limited due to the amount of people that visit whenever there's an event going on. Like when I had that tournament in 2013, parking was very hard to find. People had to park on the roadside. People had to park in plazas across from the complex and walk over in order to come see our game because of the number of people that came to our games and that came to see us play, and it was just crazy. Like the parking lot was really full. If an event is taking place and the organizers choose to charge for parking, then that parking fee will go to the event planner, what might be charged in overall cost that they are paying to the renter. So even though the 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 complex might not charge specifically for parking fee, like it might not say on the in the contract or in the statement, but it might be included in the overall cost that they pay in order to rent the complex. Okay, so who sorts the crowd control and clean up after an event? Well, the cleanup after an event is left on the facility, even though it is manageable or good deed to clean up after your own event. If not, or even if you do, the facility groundsman will do further cleaning up to bring back the place how it was. And the crowd control, security, and any other services needed should be sourced by the sponsors. So if you need police at the event or security, then you need to source your own. The nature of the facility program and the demographics of the user. The facility was said to be a no generating revenue facility by Mr. Green, and the nature of it is to provide a place for people of the city to recreate and exercise and take their kids. The demographics of its user per day would roughly be about 2 to 400 people per day that visits this complex, maybe more on weekends. The complex is home to a soccer team called the Lauderhill Lions. They practice and they play their home games there for free of cost, and that is a picture of the Lauderhill Lions on the Lauderhill Sports Complex field. Sales and promotion strategy used by the facility to generate revenue. Sale is done by the renting of the field to various organizations or multiple sports. Caribbean Athletics Soccer Association is one of the main organizations that uses the Lauderhill Sports Complex to host competitions, which is one of the competitions that I first came to play in at the Lauderhill Sports Complex in 2013. Oh, and yes, we did win the competition. So that's me, third from right in black tights and blue soccer cleats. Yes. Mr. Green stated that any person or organization that wants to rent or use the field has to do their own advertising. So advertising is not left on the facility owners or workers. The person who is renting the facility and who is keeping an event has to do their own advertising in order for people to come to the event. Sustainability. Based on Mr. Green, sustainability has been positive over the years. They manage to retain their clients each year. Like for instance, the CASA, this Caribbean Athletic Soccer Association. They maintain them every year, and I mean they're going to get more clients each year. Maybe something pops up and like you want to keep something. Maybe you just go and talk to them and then you keep your little event. So yes, I think their sustainability is good. And this is just my works cited page, and I put where I got my information. I actually got my information from Marcelo Green, as I stated earlier, who is the recreational superintendent at the Lauderhill Sports Complex, which I called and was on the phone for over 10 minutes. My pictures were from the internet and from my camera roll that I took when I visited, and this is a picture of me going back home after winning the competition in 2013, and that's my team in the background, and that was the Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Anyways, thank you for watching. Good day.